just how stupid we are, is that we can't understand how to make a microphone work in a computer for 6 months. But
Windows 10,
I'm gonna assume
in the bottom.
I'm gonna assume the microphone's working, and we're making Mechanic and Gardener's soap with clay, goat milk powder, poppy seed, and ground pumice. Pumice. I don't know how to say it. No, it's pumice.
Pumice.
Okay.
Pumice stone.
Pumice, ground pumice. I think it's 2 teaspoons of each per pound of oil. And I'm just mixing it in a little bit of oil right now, because I'll add that later.
So we're now having another Macho Man soap. Yay!
Yeah, so we've narrated this video 4 times, and come to find out there's no sound after, just because we are using Adobe. That is neon blue, I believe, and black oxide, because I'm trying to get a denim look. We're using Adobe Premiere Elements, and it just doesn't, want to recognize the microphone.
I think it's Windows 10, but anyway.
You think it's Windows 10 doing it? Look at that blue.
And look at that lovely metallic colour. That's
I love it.
Type of colour for a car or a truck or whatever.
I freaking love it. Oh, there goes one rubber ducky sound. 1 down, 9 to go. Oh, here comes the lye water. Prepare for the metallicity to be gone, Z.
Easy, let's get busy. I don't think it goes completely now, but I know what you're saying. The sheen goes off it a bit.
You lose the sheen of the metallicness. Someone needs to call 1-800 she stirs too much, because I can't stop stirring.
The local stir police will be around to slap a ticket on you.
Yes. Somebody find me for stirring too much. So this soap will get soil, grease, and grime off your hands. The men love it. Whizzy, let's get busy time. We don't need the sound effects, but you're free to go ahead and... There we go.
Stop the sound effects now.
No, don't stop talking. We like when you talk.
Anyway, off topic for all you people, and a realty topic. Don't buy a house with 3 flights of wooden stairs up when it's snowing.
Especially when your stairs are breaking and a little bit scary, which they are.
Because
we live on a hill.
Yes.
Going one way and a hill going also another way. I don't know how to say that any better.
The amount of trips it takes to get the stairs with the groceries.
So to the right of us is a hill, and behind us we're on a hill. Does that make sense?
Yeah, and
which is why we can see the lake.
I've heard of falling downstairs.
No, he falls upstairs.
And it's ridiculous.
He falls up the stairs every single day.
Trip.
There goes the pumice, clay, goat milk, and poppy seed. That's, the goat milk is going to keep your hands from drying out, I think. It's really nice and nourishing, but the other stuff is going to scrub that off.
Yes, it's also going to get all the muck off your hands everywhere.
Muck. I haven't heard that word since I was a kid. Muck.
Trying about with the car or in the yard or whatever.
In the garden. That's another one too. We call it, like, I have a backyard. You call it a garden.
Yeah, a yard in the UK is something it's just basically all stone.
I'm still stirring, by the way. Can't help myself. A yard here is what you see out my back door, right?
Yeah.
Well, a garden here is a pile of soil, vegetables growing out of it.
Well, UK gardens, they're nice and you're sitting with roses.
Did you just kick my printer? I can't tell you what fragrance that is because it's proprietary. It's a big secret.
Top secret.
But I can tell you it has orange oil in it because orange oil degreases things.
Oh.
It also smells delicious. It's got some manly scents in there to go with the orange. Let's put it that way. But it is a big secret. But you've smelled it and you like it and you're a man, so...
Yeah. It's all good to me.
Yep.
More stirring.
I can hear the dog licking her beep.
Yeah, Gracie, come on now. Go and lie down, baby boo.
Yeah, poor thing. She just keeps licking her beep over and over again.
Look at the texture on that. It's getting thicker and thicker.
It is, and I'm still stirring. So, like I said, if you have a stirring too much fine for me, I'll gladly take it, because I do recognize I have a stirring OCD that, just satisfies me to death when I'm stirring that batter. Gracie!
Strange, isn't it, when you call it batter? Batter's what you put on a fish when you fry it.
Batter, and batter. Batter is any kind of batter, I guess. I don't know. As long as you don't spell it with 2 D's,
Batter.
then you're okay, right?
Well, it's a mixture, isn't it? It's just why they call it batter, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a mixture. We get why they do it.
Now I have to spank the soap.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
that's a new technique.
Yeah, I'm using a popsicle stick just because I felt like it. I wasn't done playing yet.
It's overlipping, right?
So what are we doing this weekend? We have new things to make. We have beard balm, beard oil, lip balms, because we're almost out, and what was the other? Body lotion. And you're gonna help me, right?
Yeah, they're all very good. The body lotion, the exfoliating soap, by the way.
Oh, the tea tree.
Yes.
Okay, so here's the story. We have now on the website, fruitsofaloon.com, whipped facial sugar scrub with tea tree for oily skin. If you want to check it out. Look at that. Look at the texture in that.
Oh, it's still metallic as well.
It's we've tried, tested, and trued it to death through family and friends, and it's great for oily skin, difficult skin. Look at the soda ash I got on that, or partial gel. I'm really not sure. Looks like soda ash to me, which is harmless, just cosmetic. But anyway, back to the facial scrub. Should be on the website by the time you're seeing this video.
The facial scrub, I advise you can use it in the shower and the bath, and it makes your body feel
is actually
new.
It's for the face, but yeah, you can use it anywhere unless there's an orifice. Hello YouTube, please don't spank us for saying orifice.
I was a guinea pig, but anyway, I tried it and I felt like I had a new body. It was just so relaxing and scrubbed up nice.
But if you're going to use it for your face,
you don't need a lot of it either.
You don't need a lot. No, it foams up super awesome. Don't use it more than twice a week, just to see where you're at with it, because look he put a ring on it.
Oh yes, the ring.
You can see it in the video.
And there's another one coming. It's arriving in the post.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Not arriving in the post. It's arriving from a Cracker Jack box, and we both know it. Pink popcorn box. Yeah. What's it called? The elephant popcorn thing?
Yeah.
Or people aren't going to know what we're talking about because we're so old. Do they still make Cracker Jacks?
Don't know. Anyway, back to the soap. Look at the lovely colour in that.
It is a nice color. It's not the color I was after, but it does resemble denim, so I'm pretty happy with it. And I do believe, look at those poppy seeds. I do believe there's a slice left for you. Look, I made them extra thick for the men. And there's a thin slice left.
That's a real match.
Look at that. I added some ASMR clips. If you don't know what ASMR is, guess what? Neither do I. I don't know what it stands for. I just know that when you look at certain things in slow motion or swirling around or you hear certain sounds, it causes some sensory reaction in your nervous system, and it makes you feel
doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it makes the dopamine and serotonin in your brain go crazy just for a minute. So I thought, let's add some of this ASMR at the end of the video, and I should have drawn a heart, you think?
Yes, I think you should have drawn an heart or a funny face.
And here it is, all at trace, the batter, not batter, batter.
It looked like you could put your hands in that, even your face, it was so
thick.
Yeah,
FYI, don't put your face in it, but yes, I agree.
I think most of us are into this. I don't think we realise just how much things like this are very pleasing on the eye.
Right. I like the sounds of things too, like you know, if you could hear that splashing back into the bowl, I would probably really enjoy that.
A tsunami of metallic blue batter.
Yes. But no, I didn't whizzy, let's get busy it. Stop whizzing, there's no whizzing. That doesn't sound very good. Put that fire out for me, would you?
Yeah, here comes the mudslide. Coming to get you.
Yeah.
Tell us, people, doesn't that look hypnotically pleasing on the eye?
I like it. That's why I put it on here. It's hard to film by yourself, though, I'll tell you that.
If you had a swimming pool made of that, would you dive in it? The answer is yes.
I don't, well, I mean, yeah.
Splosh, you might even land on the top of it and sink.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I wonder what, you know, I should have put a rubber ducky in the middle just to watch it slide all the way to the other side. I'm going to do that next time. I do have a lot of rubber duckies because I put one in every package of every order I get.
On the house,
I'm the rubber ducky soap lady here.
And other little goodies that we can't tell you about, like we stick in boxes from time to time.
Yeah, that's very true.
Because every customer deserves a treat, don't they?
Yes, they do. I really appreciate them all. And they keep my hobby going. Don't they?
Keep it going.
I wonder if the microphone's working this time.
I hope so, because I can't see any lines at the bottom.
We've got 3 more narrations to do.
At this rate, it'll be a week before we do one.
I know, because we're too old to understand that a USB mic just goes in a USB port. Can't find the sound settings, and we're morons and idiots. Beep, oops, rubber ducky sound coming your way.
See, isn't that satisfying? I bet you're all gazing now at this going, oh my god.
Well, they might be looking at it going, what in the hell is she doing? Anyways, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. Give us a comment, a like, an unlike, a dislike, really like. Let us know where you're from and what you like most about the video. If you like ASMR at the end, I'd really like to know. We all love you to death, and we are out of here.
See you soon.